Okay, so I'm doing what's in my wallet. I actually did this in a response to a comment, but it got flagged. Anyway, I'm doing it again. So here's my card holders. So I have the main one na lagi kong dala. And then ito, iniiwan ko na siya. Also, most of my credit cards are in Apple Pay. So technically, kahit hindi ko siya dalhin. So let's start with this card holder. So the first one, I have this TD Aeroplan, which I showed in the previous video. You can check that. One of the best credit cards that I have is the Marriott Bonvoy American Express. The reason why I love this card is that you pay $120 of annual fee, but I actually got $1,600 worth of hotel stay for free. Ginamit namin siya sa Australia, so we went for Marriott Brisbane, and that time, since holidays kami nagpunta, $400 per night yung charge nila, but we were able to stay for free for a couple of nights, like 4 or 5 nights. Okay, the next one is the Flying Blue World Elite MasterCard. This one naman, you earn Flying Blue points and you can use that in Air France and KLM. Air France and KLM flights are, of course, Europe. And the reason why I got it because gusto kong mag-Europe. Now, on this card that I have for every day, so this side, I have my license and this CIBC Aeroplan. On the other side, I have my American Express credit cards. If you want to start earning American Express points but you don't want to pay $500, $300, or $800 annual fee, I will suggest the American Express Cobalt. So, itong Cobalt, ang earning powers niya very high. Like, kung gagamitin nyo siya sa grocery at saka restaurants, for every dollar spent, you get 5 points. That's the reason why I love this credit card. And wala siyang annual fee, but it comes with a monthly fee of $14 per month. So, hindi na siya ganun kabigat, tas monthly mo siya babayaran, but you get to start your travel points journey habang iniintindi mo pa lahat, kasi minsan mas madaling intindihan pag ginagawa mo na siya. So, this one, I highly recommend if you wanna start earning points with a very low cost. And finally, my favorite travel credit card, and I will say this is the best travel credit card in Canada. I have my Amex Platinum. It comes with a hefty fee of $800 per year of annual fee, but the benefits is the best if you will compare all travel credit cards in Canada. So yeah, those are the cards I have. I have a simple rule. I always have Amex, MasterCard, and Visa. And I always make sure na lahat ng gastos, bills, and stuff like that, every dollar nag-earn ng travel points. If you have questions about the credit cards, feel free to comment. Obviously, I love this topic kasi ito yung obsession ko ngayon. Especially that I was able to fly my family business class, stayed for a month in Australia. So, I wanna do it again. And if you wanna learn it, I'm not the best kasi nagsimula lang ako last year, but will make sure to help out in case I have the information that you need. Yun lang.